Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Friends, this video contains excellently designed, well-defined color combinations of very beautiful hand embroidered, hand designed, hand art embroidery designs of dresses, of peplum, of kurti, short length dresses, midi dresses, bodycon dresses, and any type of dresses that you want to wear. You can absolutely design these very beautiful patterns of embroidery onto your those dresses. So guys, do watch the video till end and give us your feedback. Especially do comment in the comment section below that from which country you belong. Write the name of your country so that we could get to know from which regions of the world we have our friends and YouTube subscribers. Guys, summer is in its full swing, and all of these embroidery patterns are absolutely favorable for designing your summer dresses with a different variation of long length neckline designs, bot neck neckline designs, some embroidery border style neckline embroidery ideas, different type of thick and different uh, embroidery base in simple, easy, basic embroidery stitches like lazy daisy stitch, French knot, Brazilian embroidery have been used to make the whole entire beautiful pattern of neckline. So do try this pattern and keep supporting us, keep loving us, keep watching our content, and stay tuned for the more upcoming videos. In the comment section give your suggestions that how we can change or update our content as per your choices and interests, and we try our best to share different type of patterns and design ideas of stylized patterns of hand embroidery, and we try to cover a wide range of patterns so that you can get all the amazing and classy ideas. So guys, stay tuned for the new upcoming videos. See you soon in the new and latest content. Up till then, take care and thank you so much for watching.